Hello everyone. In previous video we discussed how we can select the value if there is no class available from CSS selector. We can use ID as converting it to CSS selector and attributes to converting it to CSS selector. You can check my previous video from my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how we can select the value from a drop down. So I have opened the selenium.dev documentation web page. Here is a drop down. So in the console, we have to use jQuery for to view how is our selector is working or not. For example, we have this drop down. So I have to get the value of this anchor. Now we have to find parent class. This is parent class. As you can see, I'm hovering, it's selecting all of these values. So I'm selecting navpart.nav class and I have to find the value for this dropdown. And now we are selecting the anchor for this link. Okay, so it's showing that I have selected the correct value. Let's check it's working or not. Okay, this is my simple script which I have already discussed in previous video. My class, my Chrome browser, my Firefox browser. If Chrome exists, it will execute on Chrome. Otherwise, it will open Firefox. Let's change the URL. Wait, this is the URL. I have to change it here. Okay, save it. Maximize the video window, and then after maximizing it, I have to select this value. So this dropdown will appear. Save it and perform click. Okay, after that we have to select a single value from it. So for example, we are going to select history. How we can do that? We have to find value from here. So let's suppose this anchor is in list class a tag. So we have to find this one. Okay, this one. So we just copy the attributes of this class and remove this anchor class and add the uh, square bracket and check is it working. Yes, this is working. We will copy this because how I get that, because a parent class, and then I have to from parent class I open the drop down. When drop down opened, I can easily access these items. So after this I have to add for at least 1 second, but in most cases we can add 2 seconds. For why I added 2 seconds? Because when we click on this drop down will appear. If your internet slow, it will not uh, appear, and maybe your script crash. So we added sleep here. 2 times is enough. It will open the menu and you can select the value easily. Okay, let's add this. Wait a second. We will select drop down, select drop down menu is equal to driver dot find element by CSS CSS selector, and we will add this which we have copied from. Select dropdown value dot click and it will work. Yes. Let's save it and run it. It will open browser. Maximize it. Yes. Open the value and select history. Yeah, it's working. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will share more videos soon.